Hey guys, today I'm going to do a video walking you through the web version of Robinhood so you can understand how to use it. So it's set up similar to the mobile version. On this first part here, you have your portfolio value up at the top, today's return, and after hours. Then you have your line graph showing the movement from the one-day view to all time. You have your cryptocurrencies right here and stocks right below. And if you click on the three dots, you can change from current price to equity and the change today. Scrolling down, you have the top movers for the day and can click the arrow to see more. And you can see some recent news articles as well. The notifications tab will show you your recent notifications. And if you go to view history, you can see all of your history and filter your transfers, orders, and dividends. The summary tab will give you a good overview of your portfolio and you can select which view you want to see. Right now it's organized by total return, and my top total returns are Activision, American Eagle, Sony, and Square. And there's also a banking tab where you can transfer and withdraw money and view your transfer history. Documents will show you your tax documents and account statements, and settings will show your basic investment profile. If you go to account, it basically has all the same tabs and is laid out very similar to the mobile version. On the home page, you can search for stocks or cryptocurrencies and add them to your watch list. Now I'll go into a stock and show you what it looks like. It looks a lot different than the mobile version. Up top here you have what are called collections, and the top three categories for this stock are the 100 most popular list, entertainment, and video games. This button shows the analyst rating for the stock, and 71% think it's a buy, and right next to that it shows how many people own the stock on Robinhood, which is really cool to see. Over to the far right is where you can buy and sell the stock and set an order type for that stock. Each stock also has the line graph like it does on the mobile version, and right below that it will show your equity and your average cost. And it shows some more stats for your stocks just below that. And just a little bit lower you can read up about the company, and you have more collections and news articles relating to the stock. Below this it will show the prices most people paid for the stock over the last 52 weeks and the analyst ratings suggesting to buy, hold, or sell the stock. Then you'll see the company's quarterly earnings, your history with the stock, and the stocks that people have bought alongside Activision. Now scrolling back up to the top, if we click on the 100 most popular, it will show all of the most popular stocks on Robinhood. So it looks like Apple is the first and Ford is the second on the list. And we can go to analyst ratings and see what the top rated stocks are to buy. And if we go back to popularity, we can adjust the price and just show the popular stocks in a certain price range. You can also change the price over a certain time period and change from small to large cap stocks, and you can set the analyst ratings for the stocks too. This is about all I wanted to share with you guys in the video. Let me know if you guys have any questions because it is a lot different than the mobile version. And thanks for watching guys, and we'll talk to you on the next video.